Kent County will no longer have to pay rent to run its mass COVID-19 vaccine clinic out of DeVos Place. News 8's Lindsay McComo joins us in studio to explain. Lindsay?
Emily, that $12,000 per day price tag is now zero. And it wasn't just the public voicing frustration when that contract became public last month. It was county commissioners as well. After some raised eyebrows and dropped jaws, Kent County will no longer pay $12,000 a day to rent DeVos Place for its clinic partnership with Spectrum Health and Mercy Health St. Mary's. Instead, the private company that runs the facility, SMG, will charge no rental fee.
We did do exactly what we said we were going to do, which is to put something on the table that the community, the commissioners would be happy about.
Now, was the public pressure and response when we first learned about that contract, was that really what prompted going back to the drawing board in a sense?
Well, I would say some, but mostly from our commissioners who wanted, after they heard the amount that was being paid each day, which was including the charges and rent, it was all connected. It was all estimates, but it was all tied together. They felt that the facility that we were paying bonds on, of course, why should we have to pay rent too when it's not being used? So it made a lot of sense.
Britt says there was a plan in place to review the contract after the first few weeks of operation, but that pressure moved up the plan. Federal CARES Act dollars are covering the clinic, which will still incur operating costs like utilities, security, and janitorial staff. In the end, Britt is proud to see this clinic up and running for Kent County.
We don't want to be accused of being too slow, sluggish, and not doing what we got to do to protect this community. So when I think about that, I think it was good that we worked with our partners. We came together quickly and did the right thing, and then we worked out how it was going to get paid for in an equitable way.
About 13,000 doses have now been administered at DeVos Place so far. The providers say that they actually have the capacity to give 20,000 each day if only supply could keep up with demand. Brian.